So let's see. I am first include steady.io dot header, sorry, it is a library, you know that. And at the last I will include main function, because main function always include at the below of all code, you know that about it. It is my cloud-based function, cloud-based compilers. And if you have local machine compiler, you can also make this algorithm. There are not any issue related to it. So I am creating here array variable, and I will put some element dynamically like 12, 43, 82, and so on. And don't forget the semicolon at the end of this array. And again I will be get the size of this array. So I am commenting this here. So again I take one array length variable, and I will be get here length of this array like that with the help of size of built-in function. And below I will put first element of this array, and at the below of this I will be create one again bubble sort function, and here I will provide two argument, first array and array length, like that. And at the below of this bubble sort we will print of this array, sorted array. But I am not create this loop here. I will create of this loop at the end of this all bubble sort. So again I am creating here bubble sort, and I will provide here once again argument first array and second array length. So I will be here take three variable, first I, j, and temp. First I it you will use for first loop, outer loop, and j for inner loop, and temp for swapping. So as you know that we are initialize this I with 0, and condition array length -1, because we know that length started from 0. That's why we have -1 from all length of this array. Again I will take inner loop. We are use of first loop for looping element of this array, and second for checking the array element and swapping. Okay. So here I will take again one if condition. With the help of we will check and swapping of this number. So I am here commenting of this for your understanding. Okay. If and array, in array we will put j plus 1 greater than array, and I will put here only j. And in this block, I mean if condition block, we will put I will swap this number in temp variable, like that. And if you think that if you need all this bubble sort in other programming language like Python, Java, and PHP and JavaScript, so you can tell me in comment box. I will also provide in on those programming language. So here I will print of this array, a sorted array. So I will take one one variable I, and I have initialized it 0 and condition you can see it will be going on total length of this array, and I will increase and backslash for next line. Throughout we can see it's all sorted array element clearly, and let's run of this. You can see there are some errors, so let's correct it. So I think it is one thing we have not stored it in temp variable, so let's store it in temp variable. Okay, right, let's again run. Okay, you can see it is a sorted array. So thank you for watching this video tutorial.